one we were fishing at, sitting right there.
Jack, yeah. Oh, okay. If you want to go down there, you can. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. Oh, you showed him put under the bridge?
Look, there's a tree. Okay.
No! Jackson. No. No. Okay, none of us
No, the water's going way too fast.
You're going to be in a kayak sitting on top of it.
Yeah, that'd be fun to be canoeing down.
I want a kayak. I don't want nobody.
Yeah, I don't want nobody in mine with me either. Not after the last fiasco.
Jack, where you go?
I got it. There's girls right here.
That's it. That's it, Jack. Jack. That's it. Jack, ease that chair. Ease out of the edge and see how cold it is. Don't get in it. Stay there. Now, what does that say, Brandon?
Huh?
Zoom in on that sign.
For sale.
I think it's for sale.
Caddo. How cold is the water? No, it ain't actually cold at all. That water ain't cold. I think our fish when it first jumped in.
I can't get close enough to it.
For sale. It's like waves. That is a wave, Sarah. No, it's like an ocean wave. Ocean waves are way bigger than that.
Somebody silly enough to get in, be swept away.
Uh-huh.
Oh. What's that?
And all those rocks. Ooh, can you imagine getting slammed up against that? That'd feel good.
Slow it down, Jack.
What is that, a broken rod?
Yeah. Slow it down, dude.
Yeah, it's way further up than it was last year.